Hi everyone and welcome to this new episode of Here You Trade. In today's video, we will be talking about the most important and most known trading patterns, which is the channel pattern. So in trading, a channel pattern refers to a price action trend that moves within two parallel lines, which is the channel. These lines act as boundaries for the price movement. And this channel here helps traders identifying potential buy or sell signals. In trading or in channel patterns, we have three types of channels. We have what we call the bullish channels, where the trend is up and the price movement here is following an uptrend. We have what we call the bearish channels, where the price is following a downtrend. And we have also what we call the horizontal channel, where the price is moving between two horizontal lines and two prices, and the price here will be moving sideways. So these are the three types of channel patterns. One of the questions that you may ask at this level here is how can we use the channel pattern to buy or sell stocks, to decide to buy or sell a given stock? The answer to this question will be in the second part of this video, where I will show you how to apply the channel pattern on a company or a stock called AMD. Let's now apply the channel pattern on the AMD stock. So AMD here, as you know, stands for Advanced Micro Devices, which is a semiconductor company that produces CPUs, GPUs, and other technologies for computing and graphics. As you can see in this chart, AMD is following a bearish channel since March 8th until October 4th. So in Webull, if you want to draw automatically like a channel pattern, you can go to this option and then you have trend channel. And all what you need to do is just to click on the start point and then the end point of your channel, and the system will draw a channel for you. This channel could be an uptrend channel or a downtrend channel or horizontal channel. It depends on the chart and like is the trend. But as you can see here, and let me use the pencil to start drawing. So starting from March 8th, we had like price hit this area, the channel, and then bounce it back to this zone, and then went down to this price. And then now it is hitting this like of the channel, where the resistance level is $70. So by following the channel pattern, we have here two options for this stock. And in order to illustrate the two options, let me just draw the trend lines and try to extend this channel that we have. So I will just try to make it as close as possible. Here we go. So I'm just trying to extend the boundaries of the channel. Same thing here. Excellent. Here we go. So we have here two options. The price can hit this resistance level and this side of the channel and then go down and try to follow probably a weird pattern and go down to hit this lower boundary of the channel, which is around 100 or $110. So this is one scenario. And here I'm using the daily chart. So this means each candle here is 1 day. So this is the first scenario, first option. The second scenario is that, and let me just change the color. The second option will be that the price will break this channel. And I forgot to change the color. Come on, red. Here we go. So it will go up and then try to break the channel, but for sure it will not go up directly without going back and hitting this resistance level, so the upper limit of the channel, and then it will go up and try to hit the levels of 227 or 230. So no one can tell you for sure which scenario will happen in the upcoming days or weeks. But what I will tell you here in this video is like to get advantage of each scenario and what will be the entry points and exit points for each scenario. Let's start with the first one, where the trend will hit this upper level of the channel and it will go down to around 100 or $100. In this case, I recommend you to wait until the price will hit this entry point, and in that case, you can buy at the price of 110 or 100. So probably here we can say entry point equal to 110. Okay. Then in this scenario, like exit point, or you will sell when the price will bounce back and then hit this level again. So let me just choose the same color, red. So it will bounce back and then it will go slowly to 150 or so. And that will be your exit point for this first scenario. So let me just try to draw exit point 150 for this first scenario. And by doing so, you can expect a return on investment of, so from 110 to 150. So it will be around 39% return on investment in this scenario, even if the movement will be a downtrend starting from like week. And then like if it is the case, just wait until the price will hit this lower limit of the channel. So the second scenario here is like I told you, like price break or could break this upper level of the channel and then go up. So don't buy the stock here until it will hit back this upper limit of the channel and try to bounce up to an uptrend movement. So what I recommend you to do here is like to wait until the price will go down and hit this upper limit of the channel. And in this case, the entry point will be 165, 170, just to be sure. And let me just type this entry point equal to 170 for this second scenario. And the exit point could be around one for this second scenario. 230 we set. And in this case, let's just compute like how much we can get from this second scenario. So it should be from 170 we said to 230. And again, we will get around 35 or 39. It depends on your entry point here. And as you can see, for both options, like you can have the same kind of return on investment, but the sexy key of this return on investment is like we need to wait and define properly our entry and exit points for each scenario. I will repeat that again. For the first scenario, we need to wait first until we see if there is an uptrend and if this like will be broken or not. So if it is the case, so we need to wait until the price will hit back this upper level of the channel. If it is the case, we need to wait and buy at the price of 170 and then wait until we get like price reaching 230. That happened actually before in August or in March 2024. And that will be the first scenario. The second scenario here is like we'll wait until downtrend will stop around 100 or 110, and then you can buy at 110 and wait till it will touch again the upper limit of the channel and then sell at 150, and then you can have again two scenarios at this point. The channel will be broken at this price, and then you can expect to have 30% if this price is, or the channel is broken at this price, or again until we had another touchdown at the lower level of the channel, and then again repeat the same strategy again and again. And by doing so, you can have 30 to 40% return on investment for each try. Just for illustration purposes, let me show you how this kind of channel patterns was used before in the AMD stock. So for that, I will just erase all these things and then go back to the weekly channel or weekly chart. And as you can see in this weekly chart, you will see at this level, and let me go back to the trend channel. So you see that we had a trading channel or a channel pattern like for this part of the graph, and then at some point, probably let me extend it a little bit. And as you can see, since December 2021, we had a downtrend and a bearish channel that was broken here, and then the price went up. And then we had another trended channel here, and this channel was broken at this level, and then we had another uptrend, and you can see here the enormous gain that we got at this part. And finally, we have the downtrend that we are talking about now, and we expect that this trend or this channel will be broken at some point, and then we can get AMD again or at the level or the price of 230 and 235 in the upcoming days and weeks. So this marks the end of our video. I hope, guys, that you learned from this channel pattern, and this opened your mind on some other ideas on how to determine the entry point and the exit point for each investment decision. Again, thank you for watching, and please do not forget to click on the subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming video. Thanks a lot and happy trading.